Welcome to this tutorial on creating a responsive and interactive accordion component in Figma. Begin by opening your project in Figma. Once you have your project open, start by selecting the text tool from the toolbar. Use this tool to add the question that will serve as the header of your accordion component. After selecting the text tool, click on the canvas and type in the question that you want to display. This text will be the entry point for users to interact with your component. After you have typed your question, switch back to the text tool and add the corresponding answer that will be revealed when the accordion is expanded. Carefully type in your answer beneath the question you just created. With both your question and answer in place, take a moment to ensure that the text elements are clear and properly positioned. Now navigate to the Assets section in Figma by clicking on the Assets tab located on the left-hand panel. Within the asset library, locate the simple design system that contains various symbols and icons used throughout your project. Click on the simple design system to expand its contents. Once you have accessed the design system, look for the icons section. In this section, type the word chevron to find the icon that will serve as your accordion button. When you have located the chevron icon, click and drag it onto your canvas. This icon will act as the button that toggles the accordion open and closed. With the chevron in place, head over to the Design Properties panel. Here, click on the Fill option to alter the chevron's color, ensuring it matches the overall aesthetic of your design. After choosing the appropriate color, resize the chevron to make it proportional to your text elements for a harmonized look. Next, it is time to group the elements into an auto layout. Begin by highlighting all the elements you have created so far. Once they are all selected, perform a right click and choose the option to add auto layout. This step allows the elements to align neatly and respond to changes in size automatically. Following the auto layout creation, press the key combination of Ctrl and Alt and the letter K to convert the elements into a component. This makes it easier to reuse and modify your newly created accordion. Once you have created the component, direct your attention to the Properties panel located on the right side of the screen. Within the Properties section, locate the plus icon and click it to add a new property. After adding Select Variant, to create a second state for your component, click on the purple plus icon that appears to add a second variant. When the new variant is added, click on the property labeled Property 1 and rename this second variant as Open. Now return focus to your original variant and rename it as Closed. With both the open and closed variants ready, select the closed variant in your component library from the left sidebar. Disable the answer text in this closed variant so that only the question and chevron are visible at first glance. Then switch to your open variant by selecting it and rotate the chevron upside down to visually indicate that the accordion is expanded. Now that your component variants have been set up, it is time to connect them in interactive mode. From the top right of the Properties panel, switch to the Prototype tab. Using the prototyping tools, connect the closed and open variants so that clicking the chevron toggles between the two states. Once the interactions are properly connected, head back to the Design tab. To finalize your design, add a frame to serve as the container for your component and adjust its background color to match your overall project aesthetic. Then navigate back to the Assets panel and drag your newly created accordion component into the frame. When everything is in place and you are satisfied with the look and interaction, press the play button located in the upper right corner to view and test your interactive component in action. This completes the process of creating a responsive and interactive accordion component in Figma. Enjoy exploring and refining your design further.